Commission held a meeting today to finalize its decision to link the voter ID cards with Aadhaar card. The Commission's move that the Congress has claimed was a fallout of the complaints about the mismatch of the electoral rolls in the Maharashtra between the Lok Sabha and Assembly polls. The Congress has now warned that the Commission should ensure that the right to vote of a single eligible citizen has not been denied, and at the same time there should be no breach of privacy of any citizen. After the meeting between the UADAI CEO and the Home Secretary and the Law Secretary and the Chief Election Commissioner, the EC said it would take action under the Article 326 of the Representation of People Act and the relevant Supreme Court judgments for the linking of EPIC with the Aadhaar card. Also, linking of the Aadhaar with the electoral card will be voluntarily. Also, already 65 crore people have done so, the Commission said. The Union Home Ministry will work with the Election Commission on the citizenship issue in border districts to resolve the issue of the identity. The Commission asked the Ministry to revert on how the issue of the identity can be addressed and ensure genuine voters are allowed to vote. In 2018, the Supreme Court had upheld the constitutionality of the Aadhaar law but struck down the linking of Aadhaar with the bank accounts and mobile connection that government had made mandatory. The court had accepted linking Aadhaar to bank account for availing government subsidies and welfare schemes. Technical consultation between the UADAI and the experts of the Election Commission will begin soon, the Commission said. Under Article 326 of the Constitution, voting right can only be given to a citizen of India, meaning a person born on the Indian soil. Aadhaar only establishes the identity of a person through biometrics and their address. It does not guarantee citizenship. To remove duplicate EPIC numbers, the Commission has set deadline of 3 months. After the opposition alliance Maha Vikas Aghadi lost the assembly election in Maharashtra, the Congress has alleged that there was an abnormal increase in the new voters enrolled in just 5 months between the Maharashtra Lok Sabha and Assembly Sabha election.